am Lakshmi and this is Career Educators. In the video, exercise 7.4 la irukra question number 3 solve panna porom. Question la enna kekranga, expand sin x in ascending powers x minus pi by 4 up to 3 non-zero terms. இப்போ இந்த problem எப்படி solve பண்றதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். First step la கொடுத்திருக்க function f of x னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். Let f of x equal to sin x. Next step la sin x ஓட derivatives value at x equal to pi by 4 கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். f of x sin x consider பண்ணிருந்தோம் இல்லையா, so we'll take sin x. sin x ல x ஓட placeல pi by 4 substitute பண்ணோம்னா we will get sin pi by 4. sin pi by 4 ஓட value 1 by root 2. next step ல f of x differentiate பண்ணோம்னா we will get f dash of x. so sin x differentiate பண்ணோம்னா cos x. cos x ல x ஓட placeல pi by 4 substitute பண்ணோம்னா we will get cos pi by 4. cos pi by 4 ஓட value 1 by root 2. next step la f dash of x differentiate பண்ணோம்னா f double dash of x கிடைக்கும். so cos x differentiate பண்ணோம்னா we will get minus sin x. minus sin x ல x ஓட placeல pi by 4 substitute பண்ணோம்னா we will get minus sin pi by 4. sin pi by 4 ஓட value 1 by root 2. so we will get minus 1 by root 2. next step la f double dash of x differentiate பண்ணோம்னா f triple dash of x கிடைக்கும். so minus sin x differentiate பண்ணோம்னா we will get minus cos x. minus cos x ல x ஓட placeல pi by 4 substitute பண்ணோம்னா we will get minus cos pi by 4. cos pi by 4 ஓட value 1 by root 2. so we will get minus 1 by root 2. next step ல இப்போ நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்ச values எல்லாம் Taylor series expansionல substitute பண்ண போறோம். f of pi by 4 1 by root 2 கண்டுபிடிச்சிருந்தோம். so 1 by root 2 plus f dash of pi by 4 1 by root 2 கண்டுபிடிச்சிருந்தோம். 1 by root 2 substitute பண்ணோம்னா we will get 1 by root 2 into x minus pi by 4 divided by 1 factorial. next f double dash of f of pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 கண்டுபிடிச்சிருந்தோம். so minus 1 by root 2 substitute பண்ணோம்னா we will get minus 1 by root 2 into x minus pi by 4 whole square divided by 2 factorial. next f triple dash of f of pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 கண்டுபிடிச்சிருந்தோம். minus 1 by root 2 substitute பண்ணோம்னா we will get minus 1 by root 2 into x minus pi by 4 whole cube divided by 3 factorial and so on. next step la என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா எல்லா termsல இருந்தும் 1 by root 2 காமனா எடுக்க போறோம். காமனா எடுத்துட்டோம்னா we'll get 1 by root 2 into 1 plus x minus pi by 4 divided by 1 factorial minus x minus pi by 4 whole square divided by 2 factorial minus x minus pi by 4 whole cube divided by 3 factorial and so on. next step la என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா root 2 க்கு conjugate எடுக்க போறோம். root 2 க்கு conjugate எடுத்தோம்னா 1 divided by root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2 equal to root 2 divided by 2 கிடைக்கும். therefore sin x equal to root 2 divided by 2 into 1 plus 1 divided by 1 factorial into x minus pi by 4 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x minus pi by 4 whole square minus 1 divided by 3 factorial into x minus pi by 4 whole cube and so on. We have completed this problem. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.